Welcome to Curved Elegance, where the timeless beauty of wood meets innovative design. Our collection celebrates the art of curved wood craftsmanship, drawing inspiration from the organic forms found in nature. Each piece is thoughtfully created to highlight the unique grains and textures of the wood, resulting in stunning works of art that are as functional as they are beautiful. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a home decorator, or simply someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, our curved wood designs are sure to inspire and elevate any space. Selling creative woodcraft art, especially items with unique features like curved designs, can be both rewarding and profitable. Here are some steps and tips to help you successfully market and sell your woodcraft art. 1. Create unique designs. Focus on innovative and aesthetically pleasing curved designs. Experiment with different types of wood and finishes to enhance the visual appeal. 2. Build a strong portfolio. Take high-quality photos of your work from various angles. Include close-ups to showcase details and craftsmanship. 3. Set up an online presence. Website. Create a simple website or blog to showcase your portfolio. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to share your work and process. E-commerce platforms. Consider selling on Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or your own online store. 4. Engage with your audience. Share your creative process through videos or stories. Encourage feedback and suggestions from your followers. 5. Participate in local markets and fairs. Set up a booth at craft fairs, farmers markets, or art shows. Interact with potential customers to understand their preferences. 6. Collaborate with other artists. Partner with local artists or artisans to cross-promote your work. Consider co-hosting workshops to attract new customers. 7. Offer customization options. Allow customers to request personalized designs or sizes. This can increase the perceived value of your art. Market your art. Use targeted ads on social media to reach specific audiences. Attend networking events to connect with potential buyers and other artisans. 9. Build relationships. Engage with your customers and follow up after sales. Consider a loyalty program for repeat customers. 10. Keep learning and adapting. Stay updated on trends in woodcrafting and art. Continuously seek feedback and improve your designs and marketing strategies. By focusing on creativity, quality, and effective marketing, you can successfully sell your unique woodcraft art. How to make wood curved. Creating curved wood pieces can be a rewarding process. Here are several methods to achieve curved shapes in wood. 1. Steam bending. Materials needed: steam box, water, wood strips, clamps. Process: prepare a steam box, a sealed container that can hold steam. Place the wood strips inside the steam box for about 30 to 60 minutes, depending on the thickness. Remove the wood and quickly bend it around a form or mold. Clamp it in place until it dries. 2. Laminating. Materials needed: thin wood sheets, glue, clamps, a mold. Process: cut thin strips of wood, about 1/8 inch thick. Apply glue to each strip and stack them in the desired curve shape using a mold. Clamp them together and allow the glue to dry completely. Remove from the mold and sand down any rough edges. 3. Routing. Materials needed: router. Curved template, wood piece. Process: create a template of the desired curve from MDF or plywood. Secure the template to the wood piece. Use a router with a flush trim bit to follow the curve of the template. Sand. 4. Sanding. Materials needed: sanding block or power sander, wood piece. Process: begin with coarse sandpaper to shape the curve, gradually move to finer sandpaper for a smooth finish. Use a flexible sanding sponge for tighter curves. 5. Carving. Materials needed: carving tools, wood piece, process, mark the curve on the wood, use carving tools to slowly shape the wood into the desired curve. Sand the carved area for a smooth finish. Tips for success: choose the right wood. Some woods bend better than others. For instance, softer woods like pine or certain hardwoods like ash work well for bending. Practice safety. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including goggles and gloves, when using tools. Patience is key. Allow time for glue to dry and wood to acclimate. Rushing can lead to cracks or defects. By using these techniques, you can create beautiful curved wood pieces for your crafts. How to promote wood curved. Promoting your curved wood crafts effectively can help attract customers and increase sales. Here are some strategies to consider. 1. Create a strong brand identity. Develop a unique name and logo that reflects your style. Create a cohesive aesthetic across all platforms, website, social media, packaging. 2. Utilize social media, Instagram, Pinterest. Share high-quality images of your products, behind-the-scenes shots, and process videos. Facebook. Join groups related to woodworking or crafts to share your work and interact with potential customers. TikTok. Create short videos showcasing the crafting process or finished products. 3. Build an online store. Use platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or a personal website to sell your products. Optimize product descriptions with relevant keywords to improve search visibility. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Ask for feedback and encourage customer reviews to build trust. 5. Content marketing. Start a blog that discusses woodworking tips, design inspiration, and your creative process. Share tutorials or DIY projects that incorporate your products. 6. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in the woodworking or home decor niche to reach a wider audience. Consider sending them samples in exchange for promotion. 7. Participate in local events. Set up booths at craft fairs, farmers markets, or art shows. Network with other artisans and potential customers. 8. Email marketing. Build an email list through your website. Send newsletters featuring new products, promotions, and behind-the-scenes content. 9. Offer promotions and discounts. Run seasonal sales or promotions to entice first-time buyers. Consider offering a referral discount for customers who bring in new clients. 10. Use quality photography. Invest in professional photography or learn to take high-quality images yourself. Ensure your products are well lit and styled in appealing settings. 11. Highlight unique features. Emphasize the craftsmanship, sustainability, and uniqueness of your curved wood pieces. Share stories about the materials used and the inspiration behind your designs. 12. Leverage SEO. Optimize your website and product listings with relevant keywords to improve search engine rankings. Consider writing articles or guides related to woodworking that can attract organic traffic. By using these strategies, you can effectively promote your curved wood crafts and reach a larger audience. How to sell wood curved. selling your curved wood crafts can be a fulfilling venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you effectively market and sell your products. 1. Identify your target market. Determine who is most likely to buy your products, e.g., home decorators, gift shoppers, eco-conscious consumers. Research their preferences and purchasing habits. 2. Create high-quality products. Ensure your curved wood items are well-crafted and visually appealing. Pay attention to details and finish to enhance quality perception. 3. Set competitive prices. Research similar products to determine a fair price point. Consider your materials, time, and overhead costs when setting prices. 4. Build an online presence. Website. Create a professional website or online store to showcase your products. E-commerce platforms. List your items on platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or eBay. Seven. Offer customization options. Allow customers to request custom sizes or designs, which can increase sales and customer satisfaction. 8. Leverage word of mouth. Encourage satisfied customers to spread the word about your products. Consider creating a referral program to incentivize sharing. 9. Create compelling product descriptions. Write engaging descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of your items. Use storytelling to connect emotionally with potential buyers. 10. Use quality photography. Invest in professional photography or take high-quality images yourself. Show your products in various settings to help customers envision their use. 11. Engage with your community. Join local craft or woodworking groups to network and gain visibility. Collaborate with other artisans to cross-promote products. 12. Offer promotions and discounts. Run seasonal promotions, discounts for first-time buyers, or bundle deals to encourage purchases. Use scarcity tactics, limited editions, to create urgency. 13. Implement email marketing. Collect emails from interested customers and send regular newsletters. Share updates, promotions, and new product launches to keep them engaged. 14. Gather reviews and testimonials. Encourage customers to leave reviews on your website or social media. Display positive testimonials prominently to build trust. By following these steps, you can effectively sell your curved wood crafts and build a loyal customer base. Thank you for exploring Curved Elegance. We invite you to embrace the artistry and craftsmanship that each piece embodies. By choosing our wood crafts, you're not just acquiring a product, you're bringing home a story, a piece of nature, and a touch of elegance. We are excited to share our passion with you and hope that our creations inspire you as much as they inspire us. Browse our collection today and find the perfect curved wood art that speaks to your heart and complements your style.